Okay, this is a cold start video of my 1974 Volkswagen Carmen Ghia. The engine is a stock 1600. It has dual Weber carburetors, and I believe those are 32 millimeter. Maybe they're 34. The only modifications I've done to it are the degree pulley and the 009 distributor with the Petronics electronic points that replaces your points. So it's an electronic ignition. It's been 6 months since I've started this engine. So I thought it would be interesting to come out here and I charged the battery one time. Yeah, that positive cable's not looking good. So I don't know, this may or may not work. But anyway, I charged the battery. It was probably 3 months ago. The car's been sitting, it could be 7 months now, but it's been sitting a while. So I'm going to put the key in and we'll see what happens. It does have the electronic fuel pump, so it should fill up the float bowls pretty good. So let's give her a go, see what happens. And here we go. Okay. Oh, yeah. There you have it. She fired up. I also have the Bosch Blue Coil. So that's the other performance item. Other than that, it's I have it timed at 30 degrees total advance. The engine has about 10,000 miles on it. It was a brand new case that was used, so I tried to come out here and do this when it was really cold outside, and I wish they would have done that. But anyway, it fired up the first time. Every time it runs better as it warms up, of course. The idle is fairly high. I like a high idle out here in the Southwest to keep the air moving. Too low of an idle will starve your engine of oil, and it won't cool efficiently if it's idling too low. Here's the car. So that was a successful experiment. Let's just take a look inside this car. I've had this one for about 30 years, believe it or don't. Got a boom box back there. Years later, man. It looked really nice 30 years ago. Okay, so that's pretty much my experiment here. Got some nice H3 halogen headlights there. So she's really calming down now and starting to run smooth. And again, as the engine warms up, now this one has the thermostat and the flaps in it. So very important. A lot of people just throw that stuff out, but you know, if you don't have the thermostat and the flaps, then your engine's never gonna come to operating temperature in cold weather, and then also on startup it'll have a much harder time warming up. So okay, that's it. Boy, they sure sound good, don't they? Horizontally opposed engine. Okay, well that's about it. So we'll talk to y'all later. I want to show off these wheels. They call these turtleback. And I had these on a old junker 914. I sold that and kept the wheels, put some brand new tires on there. Little thing handles really well. The halogen oh, am I going? Yeah, I'm still filming here. Okay, well, I don't know, I'm getting long-winded now. Yeah, I got this mirror is really cool. That's like an official little Carmen Dia mirror. They're hard to come by. And the one on that side, I think that's a Beetle, or it could be a Type 3 squareback or some kind of mirror that's on there. But strangely enough, it came with two mirrors originally. I don't know if that's strange or not. Oh yeah, and then the roof rack. We've got a BMW over there. We're going to fire that thing up next. See if that one will fire up. I can definitely see at night. Of course, the car is filthy. Been parked out here a long time. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.